Hello my fellow YouTubers, this is Roy back again. So I have the connections made up, everything's together. The only thing I didn't get to would be the commutator section. That's the switching device for the resistance. But we're going to go ahead and do an experiment without that. And for this experiment I have the oscilloscope hooked up as well as this analog meter. And it's hooked up to the pickup here. So the pickup is not hooked up to anything. It's just in between the North Pole and the South Pole and North Pole of these upper magnets. And we're going to sweep. There's my resistance laid out to the patent. And we're going to sweep the positive just across that. And we're going to create a wave. And there's a certain thing you have to do when you sweep. You have to stay connected to at least two or more as you sweep. And you're going to see this oscilloscope become like, and if any of you guys are my age, we used to watch the bounce. It's a cartoon, and the ball used to bounce up and down to the words. And that's pretty much what you're going to be looking at here. So let's get you dialed in. And then I'll start my waving and we'll take notice. So right here you should see the sorry guys. I want you guys to be able to see the analog meter. There you go, and the oscilloscope. Now go ahead and wave the positive by the resistance. Look how it goes from up and down. That's your AC wave there. So if I just touch one of the resistance, watch, there's nothing touched right now. I'll just touch one. You see that bounce? So I'm still touched. Now I'm going to go ahead and sweep the second one. Now I'm sweeping the difference in resistance. Pretty much you can treat this like you're hitting a guitar string or... So that's how that generator reacts as the commutator. You see the analog meter? Let's stop and take a look at that. I didn't look at it. You can see it's reacting as you touch and let go. So when you touch it, you get a response, and then nothing. And then when you let go, you get a response. That's your, I guess that's your back EMF there. You're opposing. But every time you make a contact, it's like the bouncy ball. And in regards to that, that means that this generator, I'm not going to build a commutator section because I've already done that and it's just a mess. I'm going to take and make this solid state. And what I want to do is have transistors for each connection and use a 555 timer for each one. So it'll switch each different resistance that I set it up for. And we're going to put it to the test. We'll see what we get out of the collector in the middle. You guys, leave your comments. Peace out.